First, I'm going to double click on Scratch 2 icon. Okay, let me maximize. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the default sprite cat. Okay, so you just right click there and select delete. Now, for this program, I'm going to use 4 sprite and 4 backdrop. Okay, so I'm going to insert the sprite first. I'm going to insert the sprite from the sprite library. So you click on the first icon, choose sprite from library, and let's see, I'm going to insert one people. So click on people from category and double click on this ballerina girl. So I'm going to use this, double click. Now this is my first sprite. Let's insert one more. Same step, click, and I'm going to insert things now. So click on things from category. Let's insert drum. Okay, so double click on this drum. Let's insert one more drum. So click on things from category, and let's insert this drum too. So double click. Okay, I'm going to arrange just now. Last sprite, I'm going to use things. So click on things, and let's see. Okay, I'm going to use this picture. So double click. Okay, so this is my 4 sprite. Let me arrange. This is my 4 sprite from my program. Okay, now I'm going to insert backdrop. So click on this backdrop, choose backdrop from library icon. Okay, so just click there. So I'm going to use the first backdrop, this brick wall. You can use any picture that you want, okay, in your program. So this is the backdrop. Now let me insert the next backdrop. So let's see. Okay, I will insert this backdrop hole. Okay, so you just have to double click. So this is my second. See, this is the first backdrop. Okay, this is the default backdrop. Okay, second and third. So I need 4 backdrop, right? So I will just insert one more. I'll use this backdrop. So double click on this picture. Excuse me. So this is my 4 backdrops. Okay, now see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the sprite girl, okay, this ballerina girl, dance to the beat of a drum, and make the backdrop change as the beat changes. Okay, so first I'm going to write the script for this ballerina girl. Okay, this ballerina sprite. So I'm going to click on the script tab. Now let's start the script. So first I'm going to click on events. Okay, so click on events, and I'm going to use the instruction when green flag clicked. So use this instruction. Now, as I said, I'm going to make the sprite girl dance to the beat of a drum. So I'm going to use the instruction sound from sound log. Okay, so click on sound and use the instruction play sound, and place it below green flag. Now by default the sound will be pop, okay, but I will use different sound. So I'm going to insert sound from the sound library. So click on sound tabs. Okay, and click on choose sound from library. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to use this drum bass. okay, drum bass sound. So to insert, you just have to double click this. So double click drum bass. So this is the sound base. Okay, now you just have to click on script and change the play sound to drum bass. Now I'm going to use the third instructions, next costume. That means when I run the program, I want this ballerina girl to change the costumes. Okay, see, remember, every costume, every sprite will have more than one costume. Okay, so let's see the costume for this ballerina. See, click on costume tab. So there are 4 costumes. Okay, so when I run the program, the beat will play and it will change the costume, next costume. Okay, whenever I run the program, so you will get this next costume in looks. So click on looks block. Okay, looks, and just click there and click and drag this next costume, place it below play sound. So when I run the program, it will play the sound and it will change the next costume, but I want the costume to change again and again once I play the program. So I'm going to use the instruction forever, which you will get in control. Okay, forever instructions runs the instructions, okay, over and over. So I'm going to place this play sound and next costume. Now let's run the program and see. As you can see, the costume changes very fast. So I'm going to use the wait instruction from control. Okay, so click, drag and place it below next costume, and I'm going to change the value 0.5 second. Okay, instead of 1 second, 0.5 second. So let's run and see. Let's stop. Now I'm going to write the script for the backdrop. Okay, the script for the ballerina girl and backdrop is similar. So I'm going to click on the backdrop first. Okay, so click on the backdrop picture, and then for the script, I'm going to click on events when green flag clicked. Okay, now same thing, I'm going to use the next backdrop. Okay, from the looks, so click on next backdrop. Now whenever I click the green flag, I want the backdrop to change again and again, so I'm going to use the instruction forever. Okay, this forever instructions runs the block inside over and over. Okay, so click on the control. Just a second, it's hanged. Okay, control, and insert the instruction forever. Put this next backdrop inside forever instruction and place it below when green flag click. Let's run. See, the backdrop is changing very fast. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to use the instruction wait, which you will get in control. Okay, so you just have to click on control and select wait instruction, place it below next backdrop. See, when I'll click the green flags, okay, the next backdrop will change and it will wait for a few seconds, and then again the next backdrop will change, it will wait for a few seconds. Okay, it will run in this way forever. All right, so I'm going to change the second there. Okay, I'm going to change the second 0.5, which is same as the ballerina girl. Okay, so let's run the program and see. It's changing, right? And the girl is dancing. So this is how we create the simple program Dancing Girl. Okay, I hope you are clear with the steps. So that's all for today. See you all in the next class. Have a great day.